Welcome to the daily recap here on June 27th, 2023. Let's take a look at how things went today in the market. So right now, markets had a pretty strong up day. SPY here rose a little over 1.1%, as you can see up on the screen. A nice big move off of this former resistance area, flipped to support. So this is now a support level. Bounced right off of the 21 EMA and moved quite a bit higher. MACD reversed on the day. We'll see if that continues to hold true. However, squeeze momentum is falling, and same with stochastic momentum. Weekly, no real changes so far. For the week, it's a little bit of a momentum coming out on the MACD, but it's still in a long squeeze signal. So we could see some newer highs and some moves higher. So we have a pretty strong day here with SPX moving up about 50 points almost on the day. So there's where we are on SPY. Let's take a look at the Qs. So QQQ, same type of movement here. We have this previous resistance level, which is now support. So we'll call this support in here, bouncing again pretty close to the 21 EMA, moving higher on tech stocks. MACD still a little weak, squeeze weak, but we could bounce and really reverse and turn higher here. So tech stocks, QQQ looking good, and then IWM continues to move through this triangle here on the weekly and the daily, bouncing off some previous resistance that became support again, and we're bouncing off the 50 EMA, breaking back up through the 200 and the 21 EMA today. So a lot of technical stuff repaired on the IWM as we were in oversold on the stochastic momentum and MACD reversing. So maybe we'll see IWM getting into the fray. And, that makes us take a quick look at tech. So here's the tech, looks the same as the Qs and the SPY. Moving off of this 21 EMA on the daily. If we take a look at the XLY, which is your Amazon and Teslas, this continues to really be strong. And you're consolidating up here, a little bit of a flag pattern. My guess is if we can get above this, probably 167 mark, we're going to get maybe a PSR bullish reversal. We could be seeing a reversal starting to form in the stochastic momentum. So we could start to take off on Amazon and Tesla still. So the XLY looking pretty good, looking better than overall tech out there. Financials today, just kind of meandering sideways, but they had an up day, which is what propelled IWM up, and is also getting that market moving. So XLE and XLF both having an up day, which contributed to SPY moving up a little stronger on the day. And you starting to get some other sectors involved, XLI as well, XLC, XOP, XOU, XLP, lots of different sectors moving higher on the day here. So you're getting a little broadening of this move. We'll see what happens with all of that. And then Amazon, which is the lone stock that we own and trade. Amazon looking pretty good. So breaking through here, coming back, testing it, moving sideways, and now breaking back out through this additional, area in here of resistance. So as you move up and then test, I think, things look pretty good on Amazon right now, at least in the short term. Been in this tight channel, broke out, came down, tested it, a little bit of a move up today. So we'll see how things continue on Amazon. On the weekly, we're still firing in a squeeze. Everything is overbought a bit, but not too bad. This sideways little flag action here, not too bad on Amazon, and we're not hitting this 3 ATR at all. So Amazon may have another 4, 5, 6 points to go. We've got a synthetic long stock on that, which is up right now. It's up $9,000 on 3 contracts in just 90 days so far. And we're writing covered calls against it. We have the 135s. Those are actually up 82% right now with 3 days to go. So those are doing well. Let's jump into what the account looked like today. And on the account, 167 was our deltas on the day. So we dropped some delta as the market moved up, certainly to be expected. All good, perfectly within range for us. Theta dropped a bit today. We had a couple things that moved theta. So not too bad, though. Still overall pretty close to the 0.3. We'd like to see more than that, but 0.3 is really my current target on theta. We moved up again in net lick again today. So had another decent day on the net lick, moving up a little over $1,000 in the account. BP did jump up a bit today. Not really sure why, but some fluctuations in BP today. Still staying around that 60, 61, a little high. I did close a trade at the end. We'll talk about that here. But we did one trade close today officially. We had a SPY leap put close, and that's our one trade for today, $168 to the good. If we take a look at the trades here, you can see we opened this SPY leap put back on 6/5 for $5.59. This was the 340 put. Again, this is our weekly Monday strategy. We sell one every single Monday, and we take them off at 30%. So we had a 30% close today at 391. That gave us a 30.1% return in just 22 days, 4.9% return on capital. So a great trade there for just a little bit of cash. We just keep making some cash every week on these. Right now, we're one lotting it. I'm going to probably start to double that one lot as soon as the account here hits about 300,000. So that's, at our current pace, that's probably 2 months away to 3 months away, depending on what happens. So we'll stick with the one lots and we'll keep working that. And then we did close one of our long-term 112 trades. We closed another series of the naked puts. So far we've closed naked puts on 1, 2, 3 of these, all for 95% or better profit, almost 96, 97% winners on the naked puts. So we have 3 PDSs now, the put debit spreads, that are just working for us. So 3 of those working with no naked puts. Closing these naked puts should help our buying power a little bit by tomorrow if we don't sink heavily. All right, so there's our trades for the day. Up a little bit of money at $168 on SPY. We did close the naked puts, which is a pretty substantial close. I'm not going to book those today. I'll book them when I close it. I know it's a little funky, but technically that's a $2,270 winner that we've already booked, but we won't close that till July 31st. We'll leave these PDSs to work in case we get a sell-off coming. So we've got a lot of free put debit spread trades going, and things are looking great for the account. There's where we are for the day. Enjoy a fantastic rest of your day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.